Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to review this Aiper Scuba S1 Pro. So let's dive in.
So to open it up right here, I want to show you all the things that come in the box. As you can see, this thing is huge. You have the instructions, you also have the charger, and then you have this behemoth of a vacuum right here. Here are all the items as well that come in. You have the hook, charger, instructions, and all of these things. And then you can see this Scuba S1 Pro. This thing is huge. This is awesome. This is so large and a great option for anyone trying out a pool vacuum. But we went ahead and opened it up and put it right in. It took a few seconds for it to get in there, but once it kind of got acclimated, you can see it got going here. It goes back and forth, which is really nice. And one of the cool features is it actually goes up a wall right here, which is real nice. So it's going to be able to clean your entire pool. You're going to be able to get all the items off the bottom. It's also going to clean all over your pool, as you can see right here, as it runs all through the pool. This is a super nice view of what it will do and clean in your pool. So if you need an item like this, I think this is a great one. It's really cool as well that it actually will go back and forth. It will have a pretty concise pattern here to make sure that the entire pool gets covered, which again is super helpful if you've ever had one of these pool vacuums before. But once you are done, it's going to dock, and all you're going to have to do is grab it with this hook, and then you just pull it right out of the pool. It's super easy to do. Try to let some of the water drain out, but then you're going to just pick this right up, and again, you can see how large it is, so it's definitely going to be able to do a good job, especially on your larger pools. Then, in order to clean it and see all that it did, this thing ran for just a few minutes in my friend's pool right here. You can see when we open this up, super easy to get to. Little compartment right here. This is where all of the debris, leaves, and all type of other items are. So this is all in his pool. All you're going to have to do is press this little button right here, and it's going to open right up. Then once you do that, you can dump it all out. Again, we got a little post here that we've dumped it on. Super nice and easy. And I did want to show you all the other just items that have been in the pool. It's really great because it even gets the small fine particles like sand and other dirt and those type things. So that is super nice. Then all you have to do is just hose this down and it'll get everything nice and clean. Then once you've hosed all of these items out, again, you're just going to take regular garden hose these off. You're able to put this back into your vacuum. And this is the first pool vacuum that I've actually had that had another filter in it. So you can see this is the filter that you're going to check as well. You can see it has some of the small, even finer particles, whether that be dirt or other things like that. Some dirt and sand and other things. Super nice and easy. The same thing you're going to do. We just put ours right here on the fence, and you're able to hose this down and clean this out as well. And if you've ever used one of these vacuums before, then you know it's super easy to charge. You have a charging port here in the back, and this one is super nice because it lasts up to 180 minutes, which is incredible. One of the longest lasting battery lives that I've ever used. And it also has multiple sensors all over the vacuum itself. This way it won't get stuck. It's able to make sure that it will grab and clean your entire pool. And again, it also has these heavy duty tracks as well. So that way it can maneuver up and down your pool and make sure that everything gets nice and clean. Then it also has some heavy duty jets right here on the side to make it be able to, again, go up the pool and all over. And then right here in the middle, it has a dial, and that dial is going to help you determine what type of mode you want it in, whether you want it just to clean the floor, if you wanted to clean the sides, or if you wanted to clean everything, it can do that as well. So it has multiple different modes. It also has an eco mode so that it will last longer in the pool and able to stay in there and just kind of clean as it sees fit for a while. Because of the large battery, it is able to do that. Then it also has these very strong like sucker options right here. So this is able to grab multiple items all over the pool and bring them up into its vacuum. And so this is able to, again, help clean your entire pool, whether it be some type of debris, leaves, or anything like that, or any type of sand. These are able to actually grab and bring them up into the middle of the pool. And then, like I mentioned, here is your dial as well. All you have to do is press this on button to get it going, and then you're able to determine which one you want, whether the eco mode, the wall mode, the side mode, or all of them together. So you have a bunch of different options, which is super nice in a pool vacuum. Here's the link for this on Amazon. One of the cool things is it does have an app for it as well, so you're able to connect to that and use that. Really nice. But it has a lot of features. Again, you see automatic pool vacuum with horizontal water line cleaning, so it is able to clean the water line. Smart navigation, so you know where it can go. Also, the 180 battery life, like we talked about. Pools up to 2,150 square feet. A couple other options down here as well. Just want to show y'all some of these. Enhanced scrubbing and suction, which is nice. And again, able to climb and scale walls. Top tier waterline technology, which is really nice. And then it also has the nice navigation. Like I said, it's going to go in the correct pattern. Here it has the two different filters. With the, again, the primary filter, then also the secondary filter, like we showed you in the video so far. It also has the Eco mode, which will run for 45 minutes every 48 hours to maintain pool cleanliness, which is super nice and helpful. But overall, I think this pool vacuum is one of my favorites I've ever used. It is super heavy duty, and it's going to do an incredible job for you. I think whether you have an in-ground pool or an above-ground pool, this is definitely going to do a great job. It has a long run life. It's also super heavy duty and has a great suction as well. So it's going to be able to grab the small fine particles as well as the large leaves and other items like that. I've used a few of these so far, and this has been one of my favorites. I definitely recommend you checking this one out. If you're interested, I will have a link below for this item. Also, if this video was helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.